In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Tango app. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number or your Google account to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into the Explore page, from which you can browse through various different profiles. Now, in order to change your password or any login credential, click on the profile icon at the top left corner. This will now take you into your account page, from which you will see the account option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will see various different options relating to your login methods. You will see your Google account, as well as your phone number option. However, there is no option to change your password. This is because you are not required to enter your password or set it up at all. In order to use the Tango app, you can either log in directly using your Google account or through a verification code that you will receive within your phone number. You can change your phone number or your connected Google account if you wish to do so, but that is the only credential method that you can change. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing your password on the Tango app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.